When working with aluminum, choosing the right carbide burr can make a significant difference in your project's outcome. Today, we're putting single-cut and double-cut carbide burrs head-to-head, testing their performance in 3 critical areas: heat buildup, chip removal, and surface finish. Whether you're a seasoned metalworker or just getting started, this breakdown will help you decide which burr is best for your next aluminum job. Let's start by understanding the basic differences. Single-cut carbide burrs feature one set of flutes running in a single direction, designed for fast material removal and generating large chips. Double-cut burrs, on the other hand, have 2 sets of flutes crossing each other, creating a finer cut pattern and producing smaller chips. Both have their strengths, but how do they perform specifically on aluminum, a metal known for its softness and tendency to clog cutting tools? First, we examine heat buildup. When grinding or shaping aluminum, excessive heat can lead to tool wear, poor finishes, and even cause the material to weld itself to the burr. Using a single-cut burr, the tool tends to run cooler because the large chips are ejected quickly, reducing friction. However, the aggressive flute pattern can sometimes grab and pull at the aluminum, resulting in occasional chatter and vibration. Double-cut burrs, with their more intricate flute pattern, create smaller chips that are easier to clear, but the increased contact area can generate slightly more heat. In our tests, single-cut burrs consistently ran cooler over extended use, making them ideal when heat management is crucial. Moving on to chip removal, this is where the single-cut burr shines. Its wide flutes make it easy for large chips to escape, reducing the likelihood of clogging, a common problem when machining aluminum. This means less downtime for cleaning the burr and a smoother workflow. Double-cut burrs, while producing much smaller chips, sometimes struggle with aluminum's tendency to stick within the flutes. Over longer periods, this can lead to clogging and reduced efficiency. If chip removal is your priority, especially in heavy stock removal jobs, single-cut burrs may be the better choice. Finally, let's talk about finish quality. If your goal is a smoother, more refined surface, double-cut burrs take the lead. Their crisscross flute pattern leaves a finer finish with minimal burrs or rough edges. This is particularly important for applications where appearance or precision is key, such as in finishing or deburring aluminum parts. Single-cut burrs, while efficient at removing material, often leave a rougher surface that may require additional finishing steps. So, which carbide burr is better for aluminum? The answer depends on your specific needs. If you're focused on rapid material removal with minimal heat buildup and easy chip clearance, this single-cut burr is the way to go. But if you value a smoother finish and finer control, especially for detailed work or final touches, the double-cut burr may be your best bet. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried our carbide burr tools on aluminum? What was your experience? Did you notice a difference in heat, chip removal, or finish quality? Leave a comment below and let us know which burr you prefer and why. Your feedback helps us improve and guides others in the community. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hands-on tests, tips, and tool reviews. We're always exploring ways to make metalworking easier and more efficient. And your input makes a big difference. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more content just like this. Ready to cast your vote? Check out the poll below and tell us, are you team single cut or team double cut when working with aluminum? Your response will help shape future tool tests and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy metalworking.